Now we're going to be doing the platform rack on the passenger side of the van. Same thing as last time. You're going to pull the door cover here, speaker cover, and then peel back this weather vapor barrier. You don't have to peel it all the way off, just peel it back. And then we're going to go ahead and start by doing the hinge brackets again on this side, just like we did on the other side. We'll get those on, and then we'll go to the drill marks. So what we like to do is take the template, set it up there. So you're going to go on the ridge line of the window and to the edge of the door, just like that. And then I like to take either a permanent marker, you can go through there. I usually just take my pocket knife actually and just mark where we're going to drill, and just kind of, just the paint just enough to make a mark. And then once you've done that, you mark it with a permanent marker so you know where the hole needs to be. And then test fit the rack. Set it up on the hinges, get the bolts on loosely, and make sure that that hole matches up with the hole on the actual platform rack. Once you've done all that, test fit of the platform rack, make sure that hole lines up, then go back and drill your holes. The last thing on the kit is you just get one of these license plate relocator plates. You can get them on Amazon or anywhere. They're really cheap, and it just moves it so the license plate is going to be down on your bracket. And then you can put that, you know, anywhere on the platform rack that you need to, based on if you got a box down low or something else up high. But that's just a cheap, easy license plate relocator plate.